Hello, today I will show you another exciting Magento 2 module for your Magento store. You are already familiar with our module A6 Admin Actions Login, and I'm happy to present you a premium version of this module. Now with premium version you can track all the changes inside of your Magento store, and you can easily detect all differences, restore from previous versions, and track all issues and bugs with this. I will show you how you can install it, enable and use. Let's start. Okay, first of all we need to click add to cart and download an archive with module. So I have already downloaded it, it's here, it's a zip archive. Now I should upload this archive to my demo Magento store. Okay, my demo store lives in Kubernetes, but it doesn't matter, you can use SSH, FTP or other file uploaders to upload the module to your Magento store. I will use Kubernetes. So here you can see it's a path to my downloaded module. It's my pod, and it's a path where the module will be uploaded on the server. Okay, now I connect to the server. Okay, we can see the module is here. Now I go to the folder with Magento store, change user. Now we should change composer to use our folder with the module. I will open it with editor. Okay, here you can see I have already edited in the section repositories, type artifact and pass to the folder where an archive with the downloaded module is. Okay, that's it. If you have already added this section, next step is to install the module. We type composer require Skynix LLC /6 admin actions premium, enter. Okay, I have missed A6 admin actions login premium. Okay, composer is installing the module for us. Now we should run Magento setup upgrade to update the database. Okay, now we should compile source code. I will run just deployment command. Okay, we can see PHP code was compiled. Now it's compiling static content. Okay, this took a few minutes, and it looks like it was successfully installed. So let's flush cache, bin Magento flush cache. Sorry. Okay. we can check the module in the admin. I have already logged to admin section. I'll show it here. There should appear a new section, Skynix. Okay, it's here. S6 admin actions login. And by default it's not enabled. We need change to yes. Click save config. Now cache management and flush cache again. Okay, we can see section Skynix appears here. Admin actions. We can see there are no actions yet. So let's try to change something. Let's start with CMS page, for example. Okay, we can change something on home page. Okay, we can change title. Instead of home page, it will be called PVA sample. Save. Let's check admin actions. Okay, we can see page updated by whom, by admin, when, date, time. Level of severity, it's low because it's just regular content update. If it will be some change to configuration, module installation, level of severity might be medium or high. And we can see difference. Let's check. So we can see title was home page and became PVA sample by Skynix. We can see that layout update selected, it's just a technical change, so you saw I didn't touch it. So that just some technical variables. Let's try to change something else. Also, for example, I want to show what happens to admin logins. It's actually important. I will sign out and we will try to enter some Evron login, for example, to simulate trying to get into your Magento admin by anonymous users who got your unique admin URL and trying to find the proper password and entering different usernames. Okay, it was wrong. Now we log in with our regular admin and see what's inside. Okay, Skynix admin actions. Okay, here we can see our logout difference. So just our browser. Not logged in user, login fail. It's important in level of severity high. This actually means that we should change our Magento store URL to not let these anonymous users keep trying to enter to our admin. It's very important. Okay, and here we can also see what username was used to try to get into your Magento store. Okay, and our regular login. Okay, what else we can see? For example, products change. For example, I will edit this product. I would like to remove these quotes and change price. Okay, save. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can see product updated, differences. We can see price was changed and name, product name was changed, and some technical variables. Okay, you can see that it's a very useful module because it let you keep track over all the changes inside of your Magento store and keep it very secure. So it's very important model. Look for this model on Magento marketplace or on our Skynix shop, where you can always get very good discounts for modules. You can get our support and you can get help for installing the module. Thank you. Bye.